Hello everyone, Mihail here again from Comba Cars and Vans, and I am delighted to present this brilliant BMW 118D SE 2014 cover in an amazing blue. The vehicle boasts just the one owner from new and just £20 per year road tax. The 1 Series packs plenty of power from it. 2-liter diesel engine producing 140 brake horsepower, meaning a top speed of 132 miles per hour. The brilliant specification continue inside with Bluetooth, with voice recognizing, DAB radio, speed limiter, 6-speed sport gearbox, multiple driving modes, large media screen, leather bound steering wheel with media controls, auto lights, climate control. As you can see, the vehicle is in immaculate condition. The body condition is amazing, very clean car. Also, very easy and comfortable entrance for the rear passengers. All of our cars and vans are lovely prepared to a high standard, including a new MOT with no advisories, full service and a peace of mind warranty. Free AA cover for 12 months is also provided at point of sale. We offer fantastic finance packages tailored to you, starting from just 6.9 APR. Please contact us today to arrange viewing of this stunning BMW 1 Series. You will not be disappointed. 01656 767 606. Thank you for watching.